So every fortnight, my mum comes and stays with us when she has treatment. And then on the Sunday, I take her home. And she lives down on the coast. So what I do is I also take Bodhi with me. And then once I drop my mum off, then what I do is then I go for a walk on the beach with Bodhi. And that is like our reset, you know, and usually it's in the evening. So we usually catch a beautiful sunset as well. But it's just this beautiful moment that's, you know, just for me and Bodhi, right? And what I mean by that as well is, you know, what is something that I would have to do is, you know, do the drop off and something that I have to do every fortnight anyway, is then by layering in the beach walk with it. Now it's something that I look forward to do every fortnight rather than focusing on the long commute that I have to make as well. I guess really what I just want you to know, that even though there is so much chaos that can be going on inside our lives, is that we do have the ability to take our power back and to be more intentional.